In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Jira ticket. Jira is a powerful tool that helps teams manage their projects with ease, but sometimes the need to cancel a ticket arises, whether due to changing priorities, accidental creation, or simply because the task no longer needs attention. Whatever the reason, understanding how to effectively cancel a Jira ticket is an essential skill for maintaining an organized and efficient working environment. Let's begin by ensuring we're fully logged into the Jira platform. This might sound obvious, but it's important to start each task with the right preparations. Make sure you're using a desktop or laptop for the best user experience in Jira, as navigating the mobile app can sometimes be a bit cumbersome when dealing with detailed project management tasks. First, navigate to the Your Work section in Jira. This is essentially your dashboard where you can quickly access all your ongoing tasks, see the latest activity on your projects, and access the projects that matter to you. You can find this section in the left navigation panel of your Jira dashboard. Opening up Your Work gives you a comprehensive view of everything you're currently involved with, making it easier to track and cancel the ticket you want to deal with. Once you've accessed your work, the next step is to click on Projects. By selecting Projects, you'll be taken to a page that lists all of the projects you're a part of. This might include several ongoing projects, so make sure you know the name or identifier of the project you're looking to make changes to. This is a great moment to pause and remember. Being organized is key when handling multiple projects. If you're working on several things at once, having a clear mental or even written list of what's what can save a lot of time and confusion. After you've clicked on the Projects tab, it's time to select the specific project that contains the ticket you want to cancel. Selecting the right project is crucial, as this allows you to drill down into the specific details you'll need to manage. It's worth mentioning the importance of having the right permissions set up here. Depending on your Jira configuration, your role within the project might dictate what you can and cannot do. If you find that you're unable to make the necessary changes, it may be worth checking in with your project administrator. Now, with the correct project open, you need to navigate to the backlog section. The backlog is where you'll find all tasks, stories, and tickets that haven't been started yet. It's typically accessed via a tab or button on the left-hand side of the project screen. Here you're able to view items according to priority and status, making it easier to identify the ticket that needs cancelling. The backlog acts as a waiting room for all project-related tasks, and effectively managing this space will help your team maintain clarity on what's in the pipeline. Once in the backlog, you'll want to locate and select the relevant epic that holds the ticket you're aiming to cancel. An epic is generally a collection of tasks or stories that share a common objective or concern within the project. It's in this step that your familiarity with the project will come into play, as you may need to sift through various epics to find precisely where your ticket resides. Keep in mind that navigating through epics can often require scrolling or choosing from drop-downs, so be patient and thorough. With the epic selected, click on the option to View All Details. This action brings up a detailed view of the tickets contained within the epic. The detailed view is particularly useful because it allows you to see the status, priority, assignee, and various other metadata that can be pertinent to the task at hand. This expanded view is vital for verifying that you're working with the correct ticket, minimizing the risk of making unwanted changes to the wrong item. Next, click on the To Do column. The To Do column contains tasks that have been created but not yet started. This typically includes tasks that are awaiting resources or approval to move forward. In the Jira board view, it usually sits at the far left, showing tasks ready for immediate action. Double check that the ticket you wish to cancel is indeed marked here. It's always a good practice to confirm the status and created date of the ticket to ensure you're looking at the right item. Finally, click on Done. In most Jira setups, done signifies completion, but in our case, we're metaphorically marking the ticket as done. This effectively closes the loop on the task, ensuring that it's off your team's radar and clearing up backlog space. If needed, provide any notes about the cancellation decision if the option presents itself. This provides context to other team members who may be reviewing the cancelled ticket later. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a ticket in Jira without any hassle. Remember, a well-maintained Jira board is key to successful project management. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more useful tutorials.